Did you know our heat pump pool and spa heaters comes with a CoolMode feature? As a homeowner or pool professional, extending your swim season on those too hot to swim days can be a problem. A typical pool heater allows you to swim later in the season by keeping your pool water warm. But with CoolMode design, you can reverse the heating process by pulling unwanted heat out of your pool. This way you can enjoy cooler water during unexpected heat waves. For example, on Crosswind Pool and Spa Heater, accessing CoolMode is as easy as unlocking the screen and changing the mode from heat to cool. You can also set your Crosswind heater to auto mode to automatically adjust and control your pool to the desired temperature set point. Your pool life shouldn't be complicated, and here at Raypak, we're building solutions to bring you peace of mind at every swim moment.